In this video, we will show how to restore an APA application backup file. From the main menu, click on Tools, then select Application Manager. You can also open Application Manager by double-clicking an APA file from the Windows desktop. The Application Manager window will open, displaying several options. Select the Restore Application option. Click Next. Click the ellipsis to browse for an APA file. Select the backup file and make sure it's an APA. Click Open. Click Next. Enter a name for the restored application. Click Finish to proceed. Please wait. This may take a few moments. Once completed, the Application Manager window will reappear. To close Application Manager, click Cancel.